Well, hello guys. How are we all doing today? Well, I was cleaning out Matilda's old enclosure, and I found a few dried up dead grasshoppers in there. So I was like, hey, what the heck, let's feed the chickens. So well, a few of them's out, and let's see if they'll eat it. This one's middle wing. Let's see if she... Oh wow, she just took it. She took it like heck. That's great. You could see him scratching through the leaves, trying to find stuff to eat. Although, in my opinion, there isn't anything there. Those guys are having fun. Yep. So I finally put up a chicken video, at least somewhat. Should be helpful. Better than nothing. Alright guys, that's all that I really have for now. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching guys.